Socrative.com is an app that can be used in the classroom to create formative assessments by way of quizzes, or you can use it to let the students compete against each other using the Space Race app, or create exit tickets. You will need to log in. I've already logged in, and when you log in, you will have a dashboard for your quizzes, rooms. This is your classroom code. If you're using the free version, you will only have one classroom code. This is what the students will use to log in. They will not need an email address. You have your quizzes, space race, exit ticket. They can be in the form of multiple choice, true, false, or short answer. I've created a quiz, and it is the mid-chapter checkpoint. This quiz, you can title it. It has an option where you can use your state course of study standards, and this is the quiz that I've created. You also have to indicate the correct answer. Let's go back to launch and quiz. Yes. We're going to click on the mid-chapter checkpoint and click next. And we're going to choose the delivery method. Do you want it to be teacher-paced, open navigation, instant feedback? I like instant feedback. And it gives you these other options right here that you can use. And we can click start. Now when the students sign in, they will use their code, and we can also use their name, and we're just going to go with Jane Doe. And they will cycle through the quiz, and as they cycle through, it gives the immediate feedback. And if we get one wrong, it shows that it is incorrect, and it gives the correct answer. We have one more. And after you complete, it's just waiting on another activity. They can either log out, or if you have something else for them. But if you go to the teacher page, it shows which answers were answered correctly and which ones weren't. And it shows that they did complete all of them, but they do have one wrong. And you can finish. This is something maybe if you want to use it as a tool to help you gather data for your formative assessment, to assess prior knowledge, or even maybe as a tool for intervention. This is an app that can help you with that. It's easy to navigate, and I know that I will be using it a lot in the future.